My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups that are coming from the site News-ceruve.cc. This site, News-ceruve.cc, is absolutely faulty and truly deceptive. It actually displays fake human verification alerts. It tells people that they need to click on a special allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they are humans and not robots. If the allow button gets mistakenly clicked, the browser would be hijacked with multiple advertisements that would be attacking the screen in the form of push notifications. You may also be redirected to some other junk and truly deceptive pages. So this started to happen if the allow button got clicked. To fix these issues, you need to access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications, and now pay attention to all these websites allowed to send notifications. Be sure to remove all these junk sites causing such pop-ups on your screen. This should manually fix your browser and stop these annoying ads from attacking and disturbing you. I would also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your computer with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your system to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.